Hi, welcome back on the Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to insert the SIM card in your Xiaomi Poco X6 Pro. So to do this operation, you will need to have a special tool like this. Yep. And on the downside of this phone here, there is a little hole, two little hole, but I need to this in this corner. So place the tool into this hole and click it. You will get a SIM card slot tray. This is a SIM card, so we need the smallest one. Yes, and there is a place for SIM 1 and there is a place for SIM 2. So if you have two cards, you can place it right here, right the SIM 1, and the same one SIM 2 if you wish to place here. And now you need to place the SIM card slot, and that's it. As you see, the SIM card is inserted in our phone. And that's it for now. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!